Good morning everyone, I am Sanjay and I am here to present FinanceGPT-Live, a solution to one of finance biggest challenges. In fast-moving market, milliseconds matter. But by the time you receive analysis, the market has already changed, creating a gap between data and decision making. That's why we build FinanceGPT-Live, the world's first real-time finance intelligence platform with the data stream and 6 AI agents working together. It delivers instant, accurate insight, no delay, no guesswork. Now I want to share my project. Let's get started. The front end is running. Now let me start the backend server. Let me show you our command center, the heart of our platform. You can view live market data from FinHub or Yahoo Finance API. We have used both. If one fails, the other will switch to capture real-time market data. Here is our AI Intelligence Center, 6 specialized agents working with real market data. Market Sentinel analyze technical indicator with 87.5% accuracy. Our 3D market visualization turns real financial data into interactive experiences. Built with 3GS, each cube represents real stock with live price data. The color and movement change based on actual market performance. Green for profit, red for loss. Meet our voice AI assistant. Ask it anything about the market. Let me demonstrate. Market overview. The system processes real market data, recent news, and technical indicator to give instant contextual responses. Our professional trading terminal offers real trading functionality, multiple time frames, technical indicators, and real order execution. When you buy or sell, it updates your real portfolio with accurate profit and loss calculation. Our advanced analytics provide comprehensive portfolio intelligence with real-time risk assignment. You are seeing actual calculation, live risk matrix updating with market data. Our news hub combines financial news with live sentiment analysis. Each article is scored based on market impact and correlated with stock movements. The system attempts to receive real news feeds and processes them according to market relevance. Finally, our enhanced AI assistant, conversational AI with deep financial expertise, ask complex questions about markets, get personalized recommendations, and receive analysis based on your portfolio and current market conditions.